all around the country, coast to coast. People always ask, what do you like most? I don't want to brag, I don't want to boast. I always tell them I like toast. Yeah, toast! Yeah, toast! I get up in the morning about 6 a.m. Have a little jelly, have a little jam. Take a piece of bread, put it in the slot. Push down the lever and the wires get hot. I get toast. Yeah, toast! Yeah, toast! When the first caveman drove in from the drag, didn't know what would go with the bacon and the egg. Must have been a genius got in his head. Oh, toaster in the wall, buy a bag of bread and make toast. There's no secret to toasting perfection. There's a dial on the side and you make your selection. Push to the dark and the light, and then if it pops too soon, press down again, make toast. Yeah, toast! Oui, monsieur, bonjour, coquette. Croissant, vous avez? Maurice Valiant, I feel towel. We met